periodic table.
I can help you because with this book and my efficient PowerPoint, anything is possible at the periodic table.
Wow!
Many people in the world are like poor little... They don't know a thing about the periodic table. But you know what? This is a problem that can be changed. But some people don't have time for endless research. How will you ever do it? Well, with this simple introductory video and my PowerPoint available for only $9.99, you will know everything there is to know about the periodic table.
I've always been embarrassed at parties. I don't know what to say. People ask me what the periodic table is, and I have no idea. I wish there was something to help me.
Well, mysterious redhead, I understand your party problems because this is a very popular conversation. But you know what? With this infomercial and my PowerPoint available for $9.99, you will be able to learn. Now, what is your first question about the periodic table?
I've always wondered, what is the periodic table and what is its history?
Well, you know, that is a very good question. So, for starters, back in 1869 before, there was no way for the elements to be organized. It was such a problem. So a bunch of chemists got together to figure out a way to organize it. And the first chemist to figure it out was named Dmitri Mendeleev, a Russian chemist. And in 1869, he was the first to discover this periodic table. Now, what is a periodic table? Well, in real simple terms, a periodic table is basically a table used to organize elements by their atomic weight and atomic number.
I often lie awake at night thinking about elements, and I always wondered, what is their atomic weight and atomic number? I just don't know.
Well, it is perfectly normal you are lying in bed awake at night because you know what? This is a serious problem. Now, just so I can answer your question, the atomic number is the number of protons in an atom, but just the number of protons, nothing else. But the atomic weight is the number of protons and neutrons in an atom. Now, you're wondering, how can I find the number of neutrons alone? Well, to do so, all you have to do is subtract the atomic weight from the atomic number from the atomic weight.
I have traveled the whole world in search of this one answer. How is the periodic table organized?
Well, little girl, I have the answer to all your troubles. Now, this is also covered in my PowerPoint, available for only $9.99. And here is the answer. Well, the periodic table is organized by atomic number and atomic weight. So, back to the main question. How is it organized? Well, vertically, it is organized in two incredible ways. First of all, vertically. Vertically, it is organized by type, whether it is alkaline metals or noble gases. As you see in the back row, there are all 6 noble gases. And horizontally, it is organized by atomic number. You start out with only one tiny little proton right here in hydrogen, but it gets all the way up to the big number of roentgenium, which is 111 entire protons. That is how the periodic table is organized. So I hope you learned about everything there is to know about the periodic table. And if you haven't, then you can do two things. One, watch this infomercial over again. And two, buy my PowerPoint, only $9.99. Let's see what our lovely people here learned.
I know everything about the periodic table now. Woo!
I'm so happy now that I've purchased this PowerPoint presentation on the periodic table. I now can go to parties and not be an embarrassment anymore. I'm thrilled. I'm happy. I've met more people and I know a little bit more about the periodic table and where it came from.
I actually fall asleep now counting sheep instead of wondering about elements. Thank you so much for this wonderful PowerPoint presentation. It truly changed my life.
I can travel the world in peace now that I know how the periodic table is organized. Thank you for this heavenly gift of $9.95.